Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shilaka Ghoshal and title तो देख ही लिया है. So आज का video is about Shein and honestly I can't even tell you guys how much I miss Shein. Shein के प्राइस में जो वैरायटी आपको मिलता था Shein में, it was amazing and no other brand in India I guess can match the level of Shein का variety of clothes and plus the pricing जो उनका होता था. I mean trendy clothes with such great prices इतना मिलना easy नहीं है इंडिया में. So I got the way, I found the way जिससे you can order Shein का stuffs to India. So I will tell you guys about everything, how I got my stuffs from Shein to India and how you can also get your stuffs from Shein, anything that you like, not just what is available on Amazon. Amazon में honestly Shein का जो variety है it's not up to the mark and it was a complete flop honestly जो उन्होंने launch किया था Amazon पे. It is not like that great variety जो भी available था Shein के खुद के app में, but now you can shop everything that is available on Shein के app में जो भी था and जो भी है, everything you can order and you can get it delivered to your doorstep. So I will tell you guys everything, how to order, where to order and क्या क्या मंगवा सकते हो. And not just Shein clothes but also you can get Shein Glam, Shein का जो खुद का in-house makeup brand है, everything you can order and सब कुछ आपके दरवाजे पे डिलीवर कर दिया जाएगा. तो मैंने भी I got some of the clothes and also makeup भी उनका. I will show you guys मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा है and मैंने कैसे मंगवाए हैं. I mean मेरा जिस हिसाब से मैंने मंगवाया वो थोड़ा लंबा रास्ता यूज़ किया था मैंने, बट उसके बाद मुझे पता चला देयर इज़ अ शॉर्टकट एज वेल. तो यू कैन यूज़ दैट शॉर्टकट ताकि आपको मेरे जैसे वेट ना करना पड़े ज़्यादा. सो या विदाउट मच बड़बड़ एंड ऑल दी थिंग्स, लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो एंड आई शो यू गाइस कि मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा है, मैंने क्या क्या लिया है Shein से एंड हाउ टू एग्जैक्टली गेट एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम Shein इन इंडिया. The first item that I got from Shein is a skirt. So I honestly wanted this skirt since really long and ये skirt मैंने H&M, Forever 21 and बहुत सारे thrift stores में भी देखा था but they were priced around 1300-ish but I got it for way cheaper. So it is this daisy print में midi length skirt. So ये आपको नी से थोड़ा सा नीचे होगा, लंबा है ये थोड़ा skirt. It's not like नीज के ऊपर या फिर short में, ये परफेक्ट लेंथ है जिससे आपको अनकंफर्टेबल भी फील नहीं होगा. प्लस इसमें देयर इज अ स्लिट जो ज़्यादा लंबा भी नहीं है, इट इज़ क्वाइट छोटा सा ही थाइस तक आता है, नॉट लाइक सुपर हाई स्लिट में. इट्स परफेक्ट लेंथ. टोटली लव्ड हाउ दिस स्कर्ट लुक्स. ये थोड़ा सा लूज है मेरे को बट आफ्टर ईटिंग, खाना खाने के बाद जब फूड बेली आ जाता है तो दैट टाइम it will fit me perfectly, so I don't have to worry about कि skirt tight हो गया खाना खाने के बाद and I'm unable to breathe. तो वो टाइम पे ये skirt एकदम perfect होगा. That's the reason I'm happy कि ये एकदम body fitting नहीं है मेरे को. So I totally love this skirt and how it looks. It's absolutely freaking cute. I mean so pretty. विंटर्स लाइक नहीं है बट आई कैन टोटली वेयर इन मुंबई विंटर्स. मुंबई में विंटर्स तो है नहीं, इट्स सुपर हॉट हियर इन विंटर मुंबई में. तो आई टोटली लव दिस स्कर्ट एंड आई कैन एब्सोल्युटली वेयर इट इन एनी वेदर जो भी है. आई टोटली लव हाउ दिस लुक्स. आई एम इन लव विद दिस स्कर्ट. टोटली लव दिस परचेज. The next item that I got is again a skirt. It's very similar to the green skirt that I showed you but it's in blue. So it is blue with floral print all over it. You can see it is so damn cute and इसका quality भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. It's not a cheap material, so really pretty. And again ये भी थोड़ा सा loose है but manageable. It's not like गिर जाएगा, इतना loose नहीं है. And same ये भी midi length है and इसके भी आगे slit है जो thighs तक आता है, not super high slit जो uncomfortable कर दे. And it's perfect looking. I mean brunch में चाहिए या फिर you have to go out with your friends lounging के लिए, it will look so damn cute. I can definitely wear this on a date as well, just this and a white top. I mean it will look so cute, so damn cute. I totally loved it. Both these skirts, they are so freaking cute. I totally fell in love with these skirts. इतना amazing ये दिखता है. And ये skirts का price on Amazon में भी it's for 1300ish something, and even on H&M and Forever 21 में भी उतना ही range का है. But I got it for way cheaper. I got it during their sale. मैंने ये दिसंबर में ही मंगवाया था, तो there was Christmas sale going on. तो मुझे ये अराउंड 5 पाउंड मिल गया था. दैट इज 500 रुपीज़ इन इंडिया. तो मेरे को 2 स्कर्ट मिला के 1000 रुपये में मिल गया था, जबकि एक स्कर्ट का प्राइस इंडिया में इज 1300. सो एक्सपेंसिव. आई मीन यार, तो दैट्स द रीज़न आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम शीन. आई वॉज लाइक थोड़ा वेट कर लूँगी मैं, बट आई कैन गेट 2 स्कर्ट इन प्राइस ऑफ 1 जो इंडिया में मिलता है. दैट्स द रीज़न आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम शीन. टोटली लव इट. अमेजिंग क्वालिटी, अमेजिंग प्राइस, looks really cute and pretty. Totally loved it. The next item that I got from Shein is a white top to pair with both the skirts. मतलब white top तो चाहिए उनके साथ pair करने के लिए. So this is the top. It's a mermaid style top. तो इसके आगे से there is like frilly details, and ये chest के नीचे से थोड़ा cinch हो जाता है, and then it is fitted. So it's really cute. It is little see through. I won't lie, थोड़ा सा see through है, but you can wear a nude bra underneath, and that will do the work. You don't have to worry about it being see through या फिर कुछ दिखने का. You can absolutely wear a nude bra and it would be like good to go. Absolutely cute. Totally love this top. It fits me perfectly. It's in the size S. So yeah, and to be honest, I love Shein के sizing. India के size के हिसाब से I am still medium, but Shein में I am still small. So I am really happy कि वहाँ पे it makes me feel like I am still thin. I haven't gained a lot of weight in lockdown. So yeah, it's totally pretty. Looks really amazing with both these skirts. You can pair it with high waist jeans also, and also you can wear it as a blouse underneath the sari if you want to. It will look totally amazing. Absolutely cute, really pretty. I love it with both the skirts. Absolutely love it. Little bit see-through. That's the only con about this top, but you can make it work with a nude bra. So yeah, good purchase. So next item that I got is a shirt, and it is hot pink in color. You can like tell already I like pink. I am getting into pink आजकल. I wasn't a fan of pink color पहले, but अभी recently I've started to like enjoy wearing pinks. So I got a hot pink color में suede का shirt. It is suede material, so it is very thick. You can use it as a jacket over your tops या फिर normal shirt जैसे भी you can wear it. It is really nice and काफ़ी लंबा है. It is in the size I don't know. I'll mention on the screen, but it is nice. I would wear it as a jacket, and इसका buttons are like nice and थोड़ा woody finish जैसा button है. Totally love it. You have like 2 pockets. Really cute, really pretty. I love the color. It looks so cute, the color, and also the material is really nice and soft. It is not at all like hard suede जो ऐसे थोड़ा rough होता है. It is very soft and smooth. Totally love the material of this shirt, and it is nicely made. There are like no loose threads या फिर कुछ भी ऐसे defect नहीं है. So totally love it. Gonna wear it as a layer on my crop tops and my high waist jeans या फिर my tracks. I am going to use it like that. I'm totally loving this shirt. It's really pretty color, pretty like shirt. The whole thing, it's really nice and soft. Amazing piece. The next item that I got is a black satin shirt, the classic satin piece. Every girl needs to have a black satin shirt in a wardrobe because it is formal, yet you can dress it up as a sexy outfit for a night out or a date night. You can just dress it up or dress it down as per your choice. You can never go wrong with a black satin shirt. Totally love it. It's in the size extra small. After really long, I'm fitting in an extra small size lockdown के बाद से. So it is nice. It runs a bit large. So if you are planning to order satin shirts या फिर shirts from Shein, go a size down and it will fit you perfectly. So if you want like a nice fitted piece, so I wanted the shirt to look nicely fitted, not like oversized and all. So that's the reason I got it in the size extra small. Read the comments, read the reviews on the product, and then order. You will get the idea if a particular item runs small or large, so you can decide which size to order. It is so damn pretty and nice. थोड़ा crushed है because high-end नहीं है ये, मैंने just packet से खोल के I'm just showing you guys. Totally love this piece, and you can never really go wrong with a black satin shirt. Totally love it. It's a nice soft satin, really a sexy piece. Totally loved it. The next item that I got is again a satin shirt. It's a champagne color shirt. Just look at it. It has got like a leopard print या फिर something print all over it. I don't exactly know क्या type का print है, but it is really nice and pretty. It is really like good looking, good quality shirt. It is a nice piece, and it is again in extra small size. You have to go एक size down while ordering shirts from Shein. Totally loved it with this piece. It is nicely fitted piece, so you can just wear it with skirts, shirts, anything that you like, shorts, जो भी पसंद हो, you can pair it with that piece. Totally loved it. Really nice quality satin, not like cheap वाला piece. It's really nice and soft and smooth feel वाला satin. Really loved it. Totally amazing piece. So that's it for clothes. Now moving on to makeup. So Shein का खुद का in-house makeup brand है called She Glam, and they have launched everything in makeup that you can think of. So first item that I got is press on nails. So I absolutely love doing my nails. These are even from Shein, the She Glam. I have just painted them अपने choice से, black and golden, but you can also get like already painted वाले nails. So the first piece is this. So these are like nice pink and black ombre में pink. So yeah, I totally love these nails. They are really nice and sturdy, not like cheap and ganda sa. They look really nice, and you can also get plain ones. Then you can paint it as per your choice, the way I have done, or else you can get like already painted ones. जो भी आपको चाहिए. They cost really less. They are hardly like £1 or 1.5 pound. That is 150 रुपये इन इंडियन प्राइस. सो अगर आप नॉर्मली नेल सैलून जाते हो करने के लिए तो ईजिली आपका 1500 से 2000 रुपये लग जाते हैं नेल्स के लिए, एंड यू कांट रियली रीयूज इट. बट दीज आर लाइक 150 रुपये में यू कैन यूज इट एंड रिमूव इट, कीप इट, क्लीन इट एंड रीयूज इट. जब तक आपसे ये टूट ना जाए तब तक यू कैन कीप रीयूजिंग इट, या फिर इसका नेल कलर ना निकल जाए. एंड नेल कलर निकल भी गया तो you can paint it अपने हिसाब से. So I feel press on nails are like really good investments. They are cheap and long lasting, and Shein के तो are even more सस्ता and really good quality. So इसके अंदर you get tape as well for your nails, but I prefer using Miss Claire का nail glue because जो tape मिलता है that's not really strong and your nail will keep coming off अगर आप घर के काम करते हो तो. And if you use nail glue, it will last you longer. So generally when I use Miss Claire ka nail glue, even that is quite cheap, that is for 250 rupees. I guess you can get it in your local stores or on Amazon, Nykaa, kahin se bhi. I will even link that in description. But you can use nail glue as nail polish and then put the nails on, या फिर nails के पीछे लगा लो glue, and then you can put it on your nails and they last you easily for a month. I mean my nails, they last me for a month easily, and they don't come off quite easily if I work a lot in water. Then वो थोड़े से साइड से निकल जाते हैं and I just reapply the glue and stick it. तो मेरे को problems नहीं होते उससे. But if you use the glue जो इसके अंदर है तो that is quite weak, तो उससे बहुत जल्दी निकल जाता है. And not just this, I got one more pair of nails, and that one is my favorite. It is this French tip वाले nails. So इसका French tips are like colorful. So पेस्टल कलर्स में इसका पूरा फ्रेंच टिप है, एंड दिस इज लाइक ombre, एंड ये वाले वो लाइक ट्रांसपेरेंट वन. सो आई पेंटेड इट अपने चॉइस से. यू कैन टेक ऑफ the paint with your normal nail remover, nail paint remover, and then paint it दूसरे color से. It doesn't damage nail paint remover से ये खराब नहीं होते, because I did it twice and कुछ खराब नहीं हुआ. It's still going strong, and totally love the nails from Shein. You can definitely check them out. They are really cheap. Amazon पे भी if you go and buy nails, press on nails, that will cost you around 500 starting, but these are like 150 रुपये में. and they have 24 pieces of nails. 24 nail pieces. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपको ये चलते हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम तक you can use it. Totally love press on nails from Shein. The next makeup product that I got are lipsticks. I mean, I got 5 different shades of lipstick. 2 are from matte collections and 3 are from their blur collection. So these are more like velvet matte finish. So these are more like very comfortable on your skin, and these are complete matte. These are bullet lipsticks and these are liquid lipsticks. So look at the packaging of matte lipsticks. They are so good. They look so luxe. Really pretty packaging. I totally love the packaging of matte lipsticks, but they don't feel really heavy, but love the packaging, how it looks and feels. So the first shade that I got is Flame. So this is a ox blood kind of shade, more of burgundy side. So this shade is going to suit every Indian skin tone. Just look at the shade, it looks so good. And the next lipstick shade that I got is Beach Babe, and this is more on the nude side. This is super nude. I mean, it is very nude. So this is going to suit someone who is super fair, very fair to fair skin tone. It's not gonna suit medium skin tone or dusky skin tone, but if you have like full-fledged smoky eye, then you can definitely use this lipstick, or you can use a lip liner underneath and then use this lipstick, and that's how you can make it work. And that's how I'm going to make it work, because this is very light for my skin tone. I am more of like NC25, so mere liye bhi it is very nude. And now coming to the blur lipsticks. So these are liquid lipsticks, and the first shade that I have is Spirit shade. So this is again nude, but it is a nice nude that I can use. It is more of like peachy brown, peach with brown undertones. Totally love this shade. It feels so good. Even when I'm swatching it, it feels so buttery and nice. And the next shade is Here for It. This is again nude, and these both are quite same. This is Here for It is much lighter compared to the previous one. I would suggest to choose any one, you don't have to go for both. And the last one is Spirit shade, I guess. That's the perfect. Sorry, it's perfect. So this is more on the dark side. So this is again nude, but chocolate brown nude. So this color is going to suit all skin tones, especially medium to dusky skin. It is going to look so good. For fair to like medium se thoda fair, unke liye this is going to be like a perfect brown shade, and for medium to dusky skin, this is going to be your nude shade, and for dusky skins, this is your MLBB shade. Totally love it, how it feels. It's very buttery, velvety finish. Totally love this lipstick. And honestly, my favorite shades are both the dark ones, Perfect and Flame. Totally love both these shades. Absolutely amazing. The next two products that I got are for eyes, and one is this stick eyeshadow and another one is eyeliner. So I really love using stick eyeshadows because zyada cut nahi hota. Just take it, apply it, blend it with your fingers, and you're good to go. And bahut time se I was looking for a good pigmented orange eyeliner, and I think I found it. It's a nice orange eyeliner. I mean, just look at the color. It is so damn pigmented, and I don't really know how long lasting it is because I haven't used it yet. मैंने वीडियो के लिए रखा था, and after ये वीडियो शूट होने के बाद I start using it. So that was the eyeliner orange color mein. It's nice orange bright color mein, and eyeshadow mein I got the nude one because सब look के साथ चला जाएगा. So that one is the eyeshadow, very natural looking, so I can just put it and have थोड़ा सा glitter वाला in the center, and I'm good to go. ज़्यादा मच नहीं होता, बहुत जल्दी eye look complete हो जाता है. So that's the reason I love it, and I totally love both the products. This is super pigmented, and if I rub it, it is not budging. So I feel it's going to be long lasting and smudge proof. Not very sure about waterproof or not, but totally love it. And also eyeshadow, it is quite easy to blend, but it is like staying. It's not like मैं blend कर रही हूँ तो it's completely moving या फिर fading away. So that's nice pigmented. So totally love this both as well. So that's it. And now coming to कैसे order कर सकते हो अपना सामान from Shein India में. So there is this Instagram page called International Makeup and it is trustworthy. There are a lot of makeup influencers जो international makeup से shopping करते हैं, and this video is not sponsored by them by any way. तो उनके पास all you have to do is जो भी आपको प्रोडक्ट चाहिए just go to US का Shein ऐप या फिर पेज, वेब पेज या फिर UK का, and take the screenshot of the product that you want to buy and just send them and they will tell you their converted prices in INR. तो वहाँ पे सब कुछ पाउंड्स या फिर डॉलर में होगा. US का होगा तो डॉलर and UK का होगा तो पाउंड्स में. तो उसमें प्राइजेस होंगे. Just take the screenshot, send the screenshot to International Makeup ka page and they will send you the converted price in INR, including all the shipping charges, your custom charges and thoda sa their commission because they are ordering from your behalf, and वो सब कुछ आपके लिए ऑर्डर कर देंगे एंड डिलीवर इट टू योर डोर स्टेप. सो बहुत ऐसे होता है कि योर सामान गेट्स स्टक इन कस्टम बिकॉज Shein इज बैन इन इंडिया, बट वॉट दे डू इज दे ऑर्डर एंड गेट इट डिलीवर टू देयर UK या फिर US एड्रेस एंड फ्रॉम देयर दे गेट एवरीथिंग डिलीवर टू इंडिया एंड देन दे डिलीवर इट टू योर प्लेस. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऐसे घूम के आता है आपका सामान. दैट्स द रीज़न they charge customs because customs तो लगेगा UK या US से आएगा तो, plus shipping charges सामान मंगवाने का and also their commission because वो इतना पूरा पीछे का बैकग्राउंड काम कर रहे हैं आपके लिए. इफ यू वांट Shein आपके पास तो so that's how you can order it. I'll mention their Instagram link in the description if you want to order या फिर check out their page because they just not sell Shein, they have like huge collection. You can get any international makeup product delivered to your doorstep, be it Rare Beauty, Fenty Beauty, Huda Beauty, जो भी चाहिए सब मिल जाएगा. Everything that is available on Sephora, Shein, Miss Pretty Little Things, जो भी आपको चाहिए everything they will order and deliver to you. बस उसमें आपको जो भी स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है प्रोडक्ट का एंड उनको भेज देना है, वो आपको उसका फाइनल प्राइस बता देंगे. एंड थोड़ा आपको एक्सपेंसिव पड़ेगा बिकॉज दे इंक्लूड दी शिपिंग. ऐसा नहीं है कि 500 लिखा है प्रोडक्ट का तो आपको 500 भरना होगा 5 पाउंड का प्रोडक्ट का, बिकॉज शिपिंग लगता है, कस्टम्स लगता है एंड ऑल्सो सिंस दे आर डूइंग पीछे का पूरा बैकग्राउंड तो वो अपना थोड़ा कमीशन चार्ज करते हैं. सो एंड दैट्स लाइक फेयर इनफ. तो दैट्स हाउ यू कैन गेट योर स्टफ्स. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू हाउ आई गॉट माई स्टफ्स. सो मेरा फ्रेंड UK से आ रहा था तो मैंने उसके पास सब कुछ ऑर्डर कर दिया था एंड आई हैड टू वेट उसका इंडिया आने का. सो आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 month फॉर हिम टू कम टू इंडिया एंड मेरा सामान लेके आने का. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज उसके लगेज में स्पेस था एंड ही वॉज काइंड इनफ टू ब्रिंग मी एवरीथिंग. वो सारा सामान लेके आया मेरे लिए एंड दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट ऑल माई स्टफ्स फ्रॉम UK टू इंडिया Shein से. बट यू कैन यूज इंटरनेशनल मेकअप इंस्टाग्राम पेज because not everyone has got their friends and relatives in UK and US, right? So you can use their service and get Shein to your doorsteps. So yeah, that's it and that's how you can order. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.